Today, I am headed to Checkers and Rally's, and I am really excited to try out their brand new Fried Mushroom Buford. Up next, stay tuned. Okay, guys, we are here. We are parked. I've got my bag. Brand new from Checkers and Rally's, guys. And check these out. The fried mushrooms, $2.99, and it looks like you get quite a few mushrooms here. They smell absolutely delicious. And I got my Checkers and Rally's ranch sauce, which is pretty awesome. So we can do the dippity-do for you. All right. And here it is, guys, in all of its fine glory. Let's check it out. Yo! That looks really, really good. Damn. Check it out. All right, I'm going to take you guys in for the much deserved and detailed Fried Mushroom Buford close-up. Alrighty, and here it is, guys, in all of its Fried Mushroom Buford glory. Brand new from Checkers Rally's. And check that out. You get some mayo sauce. You get some red onions. They look pretty caramelized. You get the fried mushrooms on top. You get a little Swiss cheese action. You get one patty. Ooey gooiness. All right. I'm going to give this a shot and tell you exactly what I think. All right, guys. And as an added bonus, I got some fried mushrooms on the side. Really couldn't resist these. They look absolutely fantastic. And these were $2.99. What a freaking bargain. And you get quite a few. All right. I'm going to check these out and tell you exactly what I think. All right, guys. I am absolutely dying to dig in here. This looks incredible. It smells incredible. It was freshly made exclusively for me. All right, first bite, here we go. Wow. Beefy goodness. I'm getting the crunch from the onions, the mushrooms. The potato bun is absolutely melt in your mouth. This is a really good burger, guys. They are not screwing around here. Checkers and Rally's. For $5.99, how can you actually go wrong with that? You really can't. It's decent. It's really good, guys. I want to try some of these mushrooms. Nice size. Nice and crunchy on the outside. You get all that mushroom juice and goodness. These things are absolutely fantastic, guys. If you like fried mushrooms, $2.99. These are the real deal. On the scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the very best, that burger is rocking out at an incredible 8.5. It is really good, guys. Wow. That is fantastic. I think these are absolutely incredible. These are a 10 plus, guys. I love fried mushrooms, and exclusively for you, I'm doing the dippity-doo. The dippity-doo just for you. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. These are a 10 plus, guys, without a doubt. Honestly, the mushrooms really don't need ranch. They are absolutely incredible on their own. All right, guys, that was my review. Everybody has the green light. Go to your Checkers, Rallies, whatever they call them in your area, and try the fried mushroom Buford. I promise you, you will love it. And also, you want to chase it down with some fried mushrooms? These are unbelievably priced at $2.99. You get quite a few. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. All right, guys, from the mobile studio in Westbury, that is a definite wrap. Take care. God bless. So long.